Hi, I'm Jan Steenblick, President of Network Consulting Services.
I'd like to take just a brief moment to introduce you to NCSI. We are a security and operations service provider with more than 25 years of industry experience. Our focus is helping you to continually extract value from your technology purchase. Your initial technology purchase isn't the end of your journey here, it's just the beginning.
Hi everyone, Brian Hotzik here with NCSI. Today I want to talk about our customer journey. We've helped thousands of customers over the years help implement their technology. We've refined a great process to make sure that we have successful deployments, and we call that our customer journey. First, what we need to do is identify the business objectives. This makes it so that we know why we're implementing. What is the reasoning behind it? Are we trying to reduce cost? Are we trying to reduce friction or increase productivity? What are the reasons why we are introducing this technology into your organization? The next step after that is we actually do our design/consulting. Kind of the idea behind that is we sit down with your team and we go through what's called a workshop. Let's better understand what it's actually going to look like. What are the pages going to look like? How are users going to directly interact with it? What buttons or fields do we need to add or subtract? After that, we go through the actual deployment phase where our engineers take that information from the previous step, create a design document, and then we adapt the tool to match what that design document looks like. After we've actually done that actual implementation, the next is one of the most important parts of the process, and that's the validation phase. These are things like user acceptance testing. Like I've said before, we do so many of these that we know why we have problems, and not doing testing during the UAT phase is usually the number one reason that we have problems later on. So the validation phase is incredibly important. Then we actually move it to production. That's when we have our go live. We actually take it from a testing phase, actually into production, using it, and users are using it, and it's very successful at that point. But we don't just settle with just that. We want to go to the next phase progression. We want to grow it. We want to mature it more. If maybe we didn't have enough time in the beginning to add on an additional module, now we do that with our phase progression. So this is what our customer journey looks like as part of our implementation services.